In this video, I'm going to show you how you can train your full upper body with this 4 push-up upper body workout. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Now, a few weeks ago I uploaded a video where I talked about the only 5 push-ups you'll ever need to do, and someone asked, can I actually turn that into a workout? And the answer is yes, it can actually be a very effective upper body workout. I'm going to show you how to do this with just 4 variations of those push-ups that I showed you in that video. So we're going to start with a nice wide arm push-up. Okay, get yourself in proper position, and I would do a nice 2-second down, 2-second up ratio here as far as your reps. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we move it into a normal push-up. Okay, once again, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we bring it in to a diamond push-up. Once again, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we bring up the legs and we do a pike press. And then you will go back to the wide arm push-up. And in just those 4 moves, you train your shoulders, your chest, and your triceps. And I would simply say, try and do as many rounds of all 4 of those push-ups in 5 minutes, and that will be a killer full upper body workout. Now, if you want to take it a step further, that will really complete this as an upper body workout, to bring in also those lats and your back, I would just bring in some dumbbells, okay? And when you are finished with the diamond push-up, okay, I'll move on to my dumbbells, and I'll just do nice renegade rows. Put those back, come here, and then do a normal pike press, and then continue. Then you've got a 100% complete upper body workout. So there you go, guys. Very simple, but very effective. As always, if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And if you have any comments or questions, put it in the comments box below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.